You've told us that you have questions about your slow cooker's digital controls, so we went right to our Crock-Pot brand team to get you all the answers. So let's take a closer look. There are actually only 3 main types of slow cooker digital controls: Countdown, Smart Pot, and Illume touchscreen technology. In this video, we'll focus on the Countdown slow cooker digital controls, but you can also find similar how-to videos just like this one for the Smart Pot and the Illume touchscreen technology slow cookers. But right now, let's get cooking and show you how to make the most of your Countdown digital slow cooker. While the physical controls may vary by model, all Countdown control panels always have 2 arrow buttons and a digital time screen. To get started, fill the slow cooker at least half to 3/4 full with your meal ingredients for optimal cooking and then plug in your slow cooker. Select the high or low cooking temperature as indicated on your recipe by pressing the select button. To set the cooking time, press the time arrows to scroll through the timed cooking options. The time can be set in increments of 30 minutes for a total cooking time of up to 20 hours. Once set, the time will begin to count down in 1-minute increments. And here's a quick tip. Don't cook on the warm setting, which is only for keeping already cooked food at the perfect serving temperature. When the cooking time has completed, your slow cooker will automatically shift to the warm setting and the orange light will illuminate. But remember, it's not recommended to keep your foods warming for more than 4 hours. And that's it! You're ready to enjoy a delicious meal cooked in your Countdown digital slow cooker. To turn the Crock-Pot slow cooker off, simply press the off or power button and unplug the unit from the outlet. We hope these tips will help you to enjoy effortless, delicious slow-cooked meals for years to come. See below for a link to download an information sheet with details discussed in this video.
The KitchenAid 6-quart slow cooker. Prepare everything from stuffed peppers to your favorite soups and stews. 24-hour programming with 4 temperature settings provide greater cooking control. Once cooking is complete, the Keep Warm function maintains a consistent temperature for up to 4 hours. And cleanup is quick and easy. The removable ceramic insert is dishwasher safe. Premium performance. Exceptional results. Legendary KitchenAid quality.
Are you known among your friends as the king or queen of party hosting? If so, you're probably no stranger to cooking delicious foods for a lot of people. Cooking and keeping multiple dishes hot at once can be a challenge, unless you have the Crock-Pot Hookup Connectable Entertainment System. All the units in this system connect to each other, each with their own temperature controls. Up to 6 units can plug together into one outlet so your friends can bring their hot dishes along as well, with no more dangling cords or power strips. We offer a variety of quart sizes and color options, so you're sure to find the perfect one for each dish.
With the Crock-Pot Smart Slow Cooker enabled by Wemo, dinner is ready when you're ready. Now you can adjust mealtime from anywhere using your smart device. And here's how it works. Once set up, all your connected appliances will appear on your home screen. Consider this Mission Control, where you can monitor what each of your appliances is programmed to do. Click on the bar to open the drawer of the programming functions. This is where you can set your temperature and cook time settings. Clicking on temperature will open a drop-down menu of temperature options, high, low, or warm. Make your selection. The control panel of the slow cooker will register the temperature change. Choosing Cook Timer will expose a time selection wheel where you can scroll to select your desired cook time. Your final meal ready time will be displayed based on the cooking time that you selected. Click Done to save your settings and exit the main menu of the app. If you ever want to modify your cook time or temperature, open the slow cooker drawer from the main menu and you'll be prompted to modify your settings. Here you can follow the same process for changing the temperature or cook time, and your slow cooker will update to the desired schedule you set. More convenience, more control, more connected.